Hi and welcome back to Cakes by G. On this video, I will be teaching you how to make Swiss meringue buttercream with only 4 ingredients. Very stable, creamy and silky smooth frosting. If you're interested, watch the full video. We will be needing 6 large egg whites, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 1/2 cup of salted butter, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. With low heat, we need to simmer water on a small saucepan. Set the bowl with the egg whites over the saucepan. Be sure not to let the bottom of the bowl touch the water. Now add the sugar gradually and mix it constantly until sugar is dissolved and mixture has thinned out. When the mixture is thinned out and appear frothy on top, I remove it from the heat and continue whisking it. Use your finger to test. You shouldn't feel any sugar granules. I transfer the sugar and egg mixture into my mixing bowl and I will leave this inside the fridge to let it cool. It should be ready after an hour. Use a balloon wire whisk to beat the mixture until it reaches the meringue texture. Just continue beating for about 8 to 10 minutes. When the mixture is reached into a meringue texture, I remove the balloon whisk attachment and change it into paddle attachment. We need to use the paddle attachment when we do the creaming method. And add the butter. After all the butter has been added, I add the vanilla extract and continue beating it. I just continue beating it around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I scrape the bottom and the side of the bowl. And beat it for another 5 minutes. I love this buttercream because it is not so sweet, it's so creamy and silky. This is also a very stable buttercream and perfect for any kind of weather. You can use this for crumb coats or side coating for cakes. And perfect to use for piping too. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notified for the next video. Give it a like if you learned something from this video. Thank you, and I hope to see you on my next vlog.